Let's be brutally honest for a second. You're not bad at studying. Your brain is just addicted to the wrong things. And yeah, I'm calling you out with love, because the truth is this: getting addicted to studying is way easier than you think. You just haven't been shown how to do it. So today, I'm going to show you the exact psychological trick that makes your brain crave studying the same way it craves scrolling. Part 1, the uncomfortable truth. Right now, your brain is basically a spoiled toddler. It wants dopamine, now, easy, no effort. And short-form content? That's the giant candy machine in the middle of the room. Every swipe equals joke. Swipe equals drama. Swipe equals surprise. Swipe equals cute dog doing taxes. Your brain loves this because the reward is instant. Studying feels hard because studying is slow dopamine. The reward comes later, not instantly, and your brain has forgotten how to wait. Part 2, resetting your dopamine. So here's step 1. We're not doing a detox. We're doing a reset. Detox sounds scary. A reset sounds like updating your phone because it's lagging. Same thing, just less dramatic. Do this once a day. 15 minutes of boredom. No phone, no music, no let me just check my emails, and definitely not Instagram. Just nothing. Your brain will hate it at first. That's how you know it's working. That discomfort, it's your dopamine system recalibrating. After a few days, something crazy happens. Your baseline drops. Normal stuff starts feeling rewarding again. Your brain becomes easier to satisfy. This is how you break the addiction to constant stimulation. Part 3, study dopamine. How to make studying addictive. Now let's flip the switch. You can't just lower your dopamine baseline. You need to raise the reward of studying. Here's how. 1, make your brain feel small wins instantly. Your brain loves completion. Break your studying into tiny chunks. Every time you finish one, check it off. That check mark is dopamine. Small, but powerful. 2, use 25-5 timers. Your brain loves countdowns. A 25-minute focus block feels like a challenge, not a punishment. And when you finish, boom, reward. 3, teach it out loud. Pretend you're explaining it to a confused friend. When you say something out loud, you feel control. Control equals mastery. Mastery equals dopamine. 4, connect it to your life. Studying econ? Think about why your favorite snack doubled in price. Studying biology? Think about what your muscles are doing when you hit the gym. Studying becomes fun when it stops feeling random. And 5, make your study environment stupidly simple. The less friction, the more likely you'll start. And starting is 80% of the battle. And no, studying doesn't need to be pretty. You just need to make your brain think, hey, this isn't that bad. Part 4, the mindset shift. Here's the part nobody tells you. Your brain doesn't want comfort. It wants progress. That feeling when something finally clicks, that is dopamine. But you only get it when you try. Most people wait to feel motivated before studying, but that's backwards. Motivation doesn't come before action. It comes from action. Do the thing, get a small win, dopamine, want to do the thing again. That's how habits are built. That's how addictions form. That's how you become the student who actually enjoys studying. Part 5, the challenge. So here's your challenge. Today, do 15 minutes of boredom. Tomorrow, do one 25-minute focus sprint. Reward yourself after. Small wins only. Give me 2 weeks of this. 2 weeks and you won't even recognize your brain. You'll start reaching for your notes the same way you reach for your phone. Not because you suddenly became a perfect student, but because you finally understood how your brain works. If this helped even a little, hit subscribe. I post these science-backed mind hacks every week. Let me know in the comments which trick you're trying first. I read every one. And remember, your brain isn't the problem. You just haven't been using its settings correctly. Let's fix that.